Hey kids, welcome to a brand new video by Notebook. Let us play a little game today. All of you have seen a hut, right? Imagine that you are drawing a hut. In all probability, it looks something like this, doesn't it? Did you think of something slightly different, maybe like this? The two pictures seem so different, yet they are actually of the same object. The only difference between the two pictures is our point of view or perspective. The two pictures of the same object seem so different when viewed from different points. Confused? Let me help you with that. Here we see our object, that is the hut. Now, here comes a friendly photographer. Let's see what kind of photos he can take. Firstly, he takes a photo from the front of the hut. It looks something like this. Now, he takes out a special drone camera. Flying it high above, he clicks a photo from the top of the hut. What we saw are the front and top views of the same object. Didn't they look completely different? Let's see another example of this. As we can see here, the car has different appearances when seen from different sides. We can see the top, front, and side views of the car as the camera is moved around. So, the next time you see someone drawing an object differently from you, don't think that the person is incorrect. It could be just that they have a different outlook. Try drawing a bus from the side and from the top on a drawing sheet. You must have seen beautiful rangolis made during Diwali or other Indian festivals. These are all examples of top view. If you try to look at some rangoli from the side, it looks shapeless and uninteresting. Just a thin layer of paint or flowers on the floor. Now, let us have some fun with mirrors. You all have used a mirror to comb your hair or get ready for a party, right? We will use the same mirror to have some fun. Rahul was asked to draw a picture of a cat for his school project. This was what he drew. The teacher was surprised and asked him where was the rest of the cat. Rahul cleverly pulled out a small mirror from his pocket and placed it on the half. Amazingly, everyone could now see the complete cat's face. The teacher was also surprised and praised Rahul for his smart thinking. She now showed him something even more interesting. She folded the paper along the half of the drawing. She then took a pair of scissors and cut out the figure of the cat. When she unfolded the cutout, she had a mask shaped just like a cat. All that was left was to draw the other half of the cat and tie a string to it. Try this technique to make your own unique animal masks and play with your friends. There are many shapes that can be divided in such a way that its two parts are exactly identical. These are some examples of such shapes. Meanwhile, there are other shapes which cannot be divided into identical halves. So, we cannot generate these shapes using a mirror as we did before. You can draw some sample shapes and try to find out the line that divides them into identical halves if it exists. Challenge your friends and find out which one of you can draw the most of such shapes. With this, we come to the end of this story. See you very soon with more interesting tales and fun activities. Till then, goodbye.